Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to verify your age on Telegram. Let's get started. First, keep in mind that you cannot verify your age directly in the Telegram app. Instead, you need to use a browser. So, open your browser and go to web.telegram.org. Once you're logged into your Telegram account, go to the top left corner and click on the three lines. From the menu, select Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. At the bottom of the page, you will see an option called Sensitive Content. Here, select Verify My Age. When you click on it, your camera will open and Telegram will scan your selfie to confirm your age. After completing this process, your Telegram account will be verified. And that's it. Now you know how to verify your age on Telegram.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.